I've had this fabric in my stash for over a year and I finally sewed something with it. In this video, I'm going to show you my new Chantelle dress. So stay tuned to learn all about the fabric I used, what I love about the pattern, and how I'm going to wear it. So this is the Chantelle dress from Seamwork in a size 6. It has that simple, easy 90s silhouette that's really nostalgic for me. It just reminds me of those stores in the mall that I would shop in as a teenager, like Rampage and Contempo Casuals, if you guys remember those places. The fit is body skimming, so it has enough shape, but it's still loose and comfortable. And I like that it's short, so it shows some leg. And I think that the cap sleeves are really just perfect for this style. Now let's talk about fabric. So the fabric is a rayon challis that I bought on Etsy from Remy Fabrics, which are in California. It reminds me of a toile print or maybe vintage transferware dishes, which is something that I also collect. And I really just love that bright Delft blue color. I think it's really classic for spring and it looks good with a lot of other colors too. At first, I wasn't sure if I should use a drapey fabric for this pattern. I was afraid of it kind of sagging, but I love the fabric so much, so I thought I would give it a go. When I was sewing this dress, it was sunny and really bright and cheery out, so it just really felt like spring when I was cutting out my fabric. So here's a tip. If you aren't sure the best way to mark buttonholes, here's how I do it. I take a screw punch and I punch a hole at either end of the buttonhole marking. So that means there's a hole right in the middle of the button and one on the other end of the buttonhole. And then I use a clover pencil to mark on the right side of the fabric. While I was cutting, I put in a new rotary blade, which just feels really buttery smooth. And if you're having difficulty cutting, make sure you're using a fresh blade. It really makes a difference. I ended up having quite a bit of fabric left over, so I'm thinking about making a little skirt or something. What do you guys think? One of the great things about rayon is that it presses really beautifully and the seams just look so crisp and flat. I especially enjoyed making the collar and really just taking my time and enjoying all of that pressing and stitching. Honestly, there were a couple points stitching along curves where I made a few mistakes and I had some snags and I had to redo it. So I used this as an opportunity to really practice some patience and just notice any negative self-talk. I told myself that little mistakes are normal, it's no big deal, and I can unpick them and try again. It happens to everyone, right? But then as I was finishing, I realized at the very end that I actually hadn't bought any buttons. I did have some 1/2-inch buttons in a drawer, and even though the pattern calls for 5/8-inch buttons, I thought it would still look good. If you look close, it's also 2 different kinds of buttons. So I had to mix and match. But I love that I used what I had, otherwise these buttons would be sitting in a drawer for the next 5 years. Because the buttons are slightly smaller, I wish I had moved them a little closer to the center, but I think it's okay. When I was done, I tried it over my clothes, and even over my winter clothes, it makes me so excited for spring. So let's talk about how I'm gonna wear it. Dresses are easy, but there's still lots of ways you can layer them, especially in spring when the weather can be a little chilly. For the first look, I'm wearing Chantelle with this cardigan I knit. It's the Alicia cardigan by Kim Hargreaves. I paired this outfit with some blue suede mules. Nothing makes you feel better than wearing your handmade dress and wearing a handmade cardigan with it. For the days when it's colder, I wear a pullover cotton sweater. I like that the sweater is kind of slouchy, dresses it down a little bit. I also love how the collar peeks out just a little. I paired this look with some Converse sneakers and Wayfarer sunglasses, so it's really casual. Next, I wear this dress with a denim jacket. You could go with a classic denim jacket like the Seamwork Audrey, or you can do a more chore coat style like the Seamwork Parker. I'm wearing a blazer style denim jacket with patch pockets. This look is cute paired with some lace-up espadrille flats. In a similar vein, I have my Seamwork Ret jacket in a natural bull denim, which is a really great layering piece for spring. I like to wear it often with denim because you don't get the denim on denim vibe if you don't want that. I'm wearing this with red suede mules. I think red, white, and blue is just really vibrant. This look is great paired with cat eye sunglasses and a straw bag. Dresses are my favorite thing to wear in warmer weather because you just put them on and go, but there's still a lot of creative ways that you can style them. I'm really excited that I was finally able to use this fabric that I love that I've had in my stash all year. You don't always have to buy something new to make something you're really excited about. So tell me about your favorite spring dress. What does it look like and what do you wear it with? And if you want to sew Chantelle or any of the other patterns we mentioned today, be sure to check out Seamwork. When you join, you get access to our entire catalog of over 200 modern sewing patterns, from quick and easy tops to wear anywhere dresses to tailored blazers and pants. We help you to design and craft your own wardrobe. Membership also gets you access to Design Your Wardrobe, our popular course that walks you through a process for laying out a seasonal wardrobe that you can sew. Plus, membership includes our library of dozens of sew-along classes, and best of all, access to our private sewing community, including tens of thousands of members where you can post projects, ask questions, and even find sewing friends near you. I hang out there all the time along with Haley and the rest of the team here at Seamwork, and I'd love for you to join me. YouTube subscribers get half off a Seamwork membership, making it an incredibly good deal. To sign up, just click the button on screen or the link in the description below to claim your offer. I hope you loved this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.